Hello everyone, my name is Baranova, and today we will learn how to set up GraphQL server on Node.js. After today's session, we will be able to start up Apollo GraphQL server. We will create first simple query to return the data from server, and we will examine the results through visual documentation tool called GraphQL. But before we start coding, let's make sure that Node.js environment is already installed on your PC. Otherwise, stop the video and take your time to do it right now from the URI in address bar. As a package manager, I will be using Yarn, but you can alternatively use Node Package Manager. It is included by default in Node.js environment. And that is it for preliminary setup of the project, and we can safely go coding. First of all, let's create a working directory for the first lesson. We will call it GraphQL Setup and go inside the directory. Then we create a basic package.json file. Let's leave all the default values as is at the moment, as we don't need them. Let's add all necessary dependencies like Express package, GraphQL package, and Apollo server package. Wait a bit for the dependencies to be installed. Also, we will need an index.js file. For package.json file, we need to make several modifications. Firstly, let's specify module type. It's needed to be able to use ES6 modules natively in Node.js. And also, let's create a start script. For the moment, it will be a simple Node script to run index.js file. And this is it for package.json modifications at the moment. Let's update index file. We need to import Express package. And we need Apollo server and GraphQL template from Apollo package. Let's create type definitions for the schema. These type definitions describe the complete data graph that will be served from GraphQL server. Firstly, we need to create root query. And the only custom query that will be used at the moment will be hello GraphQL. This query will return a mandatory string. In order to fulfill the query with data, we will set up a resolvers object. And exactly as it was in type definitions, our custom hello GraphQL query should exist within a root query. The resolver should return a mandatory string. Let it be hello world. I won't be too creative here. Several more variables need to be specified. Let's create a port variable and let it be 4000. And the path variable, let's make it /API. We need to create basic Express server. Also, we need to create an Apollo server and paste type definitions and resolvers as arguments object. We will apply Express as a middleware to Apollo server. Let's start a server and provide it with the port for listening. And also let's print console some helpful information on the API local address. Server is listening on localhost port 4000 and server path. Running start script, and let's go and check that everything works correctly. As you can see, Apollo GraphQL Server provides a convenient visual interface for exploring the API. Let's check if the query returns correctly. Yeah, cool. Everything works as expected. That's it for today's lesson. The next time we will learn how to add TypeScript to the project. Stay tuned.